Morning students of class 8, have a nice day. We are solving exercise 17. Today we will start from question number 9. The question is, construct a parallelogram in which AB equal to 5.5 centimeter, BC equal to 4 centimeter and diagonal AC equal to 7.8 centimeter. From this given informations we can say AB and BC, these two are adjacent sides and this is diagonal. AC, that is given already, this is diagonal. So for a rough sketch, if you take AB, I am taking as the baseline, that is 5 centimeter AB. From B we draw an arc of 4 centimeter and from A we draw an arc of 7.8 centimeter. Suppose these two are intersecting at point C, we join BC and AC. Since this is the parallelogram, so the opposite sides will be equal. We have AB equal to 5.5 centimeter. So we use this as the center and we draw an arc of radius 5.5 centimeter. This arc, suppose this arc came here, and BC is 4 centimeter. So we measure 4 centimeter as the radius on the scale by our compasses, and we use A as the center and we cross this arc. Now we join, this point of intersection became D. We join CD and AD. We join CD and AD. ABCD is a required parallelogram. Now let us solve it. We take AB as the baseline, that is 5.5 centimeter. Here we write A, B measurement 5.5 centimeter. Then we measure BC as the radius on scale by our compasses 4 centimeter. Use B as the radius, use B as the center and draw an arc of 4 centimeter. Now we measure AC 7.8 centimeter as the radius on the scale by our compasses. This is 7.8 centimeter. This is 7.8 centimeter. Use A as the center and draw an arc to cross this arc. At the point of intersection, we keep the name C. Now we join BC. And AC. Then we measure 5.5 centimeter, that is the length of AB, and we use C as the center and we draw an arc of 5.5 centimeter. And BC, that is 4 centimeter, we measure the length of BC from here, that is 4 centimeter. We use A as the center and we cross this previous arc. At the point of intersection of these two arcs, we keep the name D. Now join CD and AD. Measure the write the measurement of all the sides. AB is 5.5 centimeter, BC became 4 centimeter, and diagonal AC is 7.8 centimeter. This is the CD is the opposite side of AB, so this will also be 5.5 centimeter, and AD is opposite side of BC, so this will be 4 centimeter. And at the below we write ABCD is the required parallelogram. My dear students, in question number 11, we are asked to construct one quadrilateral ABCD, and you can see AB is equal to 7 centimeter, BC equal to 6.5 centimeter, angle A equal to 60 degree, and angle Q equal to 105 degree, angle D equal to 90 degree. So my dear students, in this question angle Q is given as 105 degree, but we can't understand from where this angle Q is coming, while the name of this quadrilateral is ABCD. So this may be any wrong information. So I'm escaping from this question, and I came to question number 12. In question number 12, we are asked to construct one quadrilateral ABCD in which AB equal to 8 centimeter, angle A equal to 60 degree, angle B equal to 75 degree, and angle C equal to 100 degree. So for this construction, first of all we draw a baseline of 8 centimeter, and we name this baseline as AB, and write the measurement also, that is 8 centimeter. Now at point A we are asked to construct 60 degree. So we take 60 degree at inner scale. Here is 60 degree inner scale, and we mark this for 60 degree. We join these two, taking the help of our scale, and now angle B is 75 degree. Again we use protractor to construct 75 degree. That is on outer scale. Here this is the point of 75 degree. We draw the line of 75 degree, and angle C is 100 degree. Angle C is 100 degree. Again we use protractor to draw an angle of 100 degree at any point. At any point on BC. This is the point for 100 degree here is the point for 100 degree, and we have made it from here. Once more, suppose we choose a point here, so at this point we will make 100 degree. This line is of 100 degree. This line is of 100 degree. We mark there. Now we join it. And we name this became C, this became D. Write the measurement of all angles. Angle A is 60 degree, angle B is 75 degree, Angle C is 100 degree. Angle D we don't know. So this is the required quadrilateral. ABCD is the required quadrilateral. In question number 14, we are asked to construct a parallelogram in which PQ equal to 5 cm, QR equal to 4.5 cm and angle PQR equal to 75 degree. So for rough sketch, I want to explain this. Suppose we take the baseline as PQ. This is 5 cm. We name it as PQ. Then angle Q, PQR means angle Q is 75 degree. We constructed the line of 75 degree. This is 75 degree. And QR, and on this line we cut this line measuring 4.5 centimeter on the scale, and we used our compass to cut this line at Q. Write the measurement 4.5 centimeter. Since this is the parallelogram, therefore the opposite sides will be equal. If PQ equal to 5 centimeter, we measure this, and from here we draw an arc of 5 centimeter. And this is 4.5 centimeter. We measure 4.5 centimeter on the scale using our compasses and use P as the center to cross this arc. We cross it. Then join these two and these two. In fact, these are the basic facts through which we will draw this parallelogram PQRS. Now we draw the baseline PQ equal to 5 centimeter using our scale. This is the baseline. Name it as PQ. Write the measurement 5 centimeter. At point Q we construct 75 degree using our protractor. So use protractor to draw the line of 75 degree. We take this 75 degree on outer scale and we draw the line. Here we give the mark of the angle and write 75 degree. Since QR is 4.5 centimeter, we measure this on the scale 4.5 centimeter. Use Q as the center and cut this line at the point of intersection of this arc and this line. We give name PQR and write the measurement here, that is 4.5 centimeter. Okay, now PQ is 5 centimeter. We measure this length from here. This is 5 centimeter. From R, we use R as the center and draw an arc. This is 4.5 centimeter. We measure this radius using our compasses. Now use P as the center to cross this arc. At the point of intersection of these two arcs, you name it S. Then join SR and PS. And write all the measurements. RS is the opposite side of PQ. If PQ is 5 centimeter, then RS will also be 5 centimeter. And PS is the opposite side of QR. If QR is equal to 4.5 centimeter, then PS will also be equal to 4.5 centimeter. This is the required parallelogram. My dear students, now we'll solve question number 16, in which we are asked to draw a parallelogram. The two diagonals are given, one is 10 centimeter and another is 7.8 centimeter, and the angle between these two diagonals is equal to 120 degree. Let us see. First of all, we'll draw the baseline of 10 centimeter. That is the length of the first diagonal of 10 centimeter. Name it as A and C. Now draw the perpendicular bisector. Write the measurement also. This is 10 centimeter. Now draw the perpendicular bisector of AC. I took more than half and I draw an arc upward and downward. Again change the center. Now use C as the center. Use C as the center and cross this arc, and this arc also. Join these two lines. Join the line of perpendicular bisector. So mind it, it is coming on this writing. You take care. You should not draw the line on this writing. Now, how much is the angle? Angle is 120 degree. We are seeing this point of intersection is O. We name it O. We are seeing this is 90 degrees, so 120 degree will come in this quadrant. We keep our protractor at the center, at the point of intersection O, and give the point for 120 degree. Now, we produce this line both sides of AC. Now what will you do? Our second diagonal is 7.8 centimeter. Use half of 7.8 centimeter dividing by 2. You will get 3.9 centimeter. And now we measure 3.9 centimeter on the scale using our compasses. This is 3.9 centimeter. Use center as the radius. Use O as the center and cross this diagonal. Similarly, this line also. Now what will you do? You join these two. Give name at first. Give name this point of intersection. That will be, here is B and here is D. Now join AD. Then AB. Then BC. And at last CD. This ABCD is the required parallelogram, in which AC is 10 centimeter and BD is 7.8 centimeter, and angle between these two diagonals, this angle between these two diagonals is equal to 120 degree. At last you write ABCD is the required parallelogram.